Hey, good morning, everybody. Finally got a little bit of rain. Hasn't rained in weeks. It's nice to have a little dampness in the air and not so dusty. But look what I did yesterday. I think that's going to be in a different video. We'll finish this project up in another video. I put this cultured stone on here. I put a scratch coat on, stuck the stones on there. That was in a video or two ago. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. I learned something. Hopefully you guys learn a little bit when you watch our videos. I'm not an expert, so I don't normally preach, but I kind of like to just assume that you guys understand that, I'm trying to let you know that anybody can do anything, because I don't know anything. I'm not special, and I made that work. So, but we do have to mortar between the rocks still, so check it out. Looks pretty good, eh? It'll look even better once I get the mortar between the rocks, so that's pretty slick. I'm pretty happy with that. All we gotta do is get some more Dutch lap and butt it up to here and fill that gap in, and then we'll be good. Haven't checked the bunker yet this morning. We left the dehumidifier on all day yesterday and tonight, and last night. I scratch coated this side so I could do this side, but not in this video. Not in this video, I don't think. I don't know, we'll just see. I do a bunch of stuff and I just stick stuff together. But we want to start another big project and have it ready for spring. We want to start the greenhouse. And the neighbor lent me the tractor. A lot of you guys who are new here, the neighbor is really good to us. Him and I try to help each other out, take care of each other when needed. He lets me borrow his tractor. This has saved us from having to buy a tractor for the last couple years. So what I have to do, and it's going to be kind of hard to tell, we have it's like 6 to 7 foot deep by close to 30 feet long spot here, dug into the hillside. But we want to go back like another foot or two. Now that there's no blueberries in that foot or two. So we're going to dig that out a little bit more. This is way higher than over here. So I'm going to try to pull some of this dirt over here, level this out, drill some holes, and go get some posts. We're running out of time. We're not going to mill posts. I'd have to cut down a lot of trees to build this greenhouse, and $500 to $1,000 worth of lumber. I know it's cheating and it's not off-griddy as much as some people would like, But I'm not cutting down and spending a month milling and getting this ready when I could just go buy $500 to $1,000 worth of lumber, and then it's treated and it should last a lot longer. But we got to get posts to the ground, and then we're going to build like a treated wall, like a knee wall on the back. You guys will see. Let's just get something done today. Let's get on the tractor and get rolling. I want to check the bunker real quick. This was at 63% last night. And it's at 53 this morning. 100 watts output, 130 watt input, which I'm surprised we're getting that much considering how cloudy it is. And how it rained all morning. Let's see if there's any water in our dehumidifier. Just a little bit of water in there. So we'll just leave that on low mode. It does feel, I don't know, it doesn't feel damp in here. So anyway, we'll leave that running for the day, I guess. Let's have Jen go check the humidity before it adjusts for me opening it.
65 degrees in there and 75% humidity.
Yeah. So the humidity's going to be a little challenging, I guess. So thank you.
No problem.
So the humidity's at 75% in there. I'm interested to see if once we have electronics running in there and it's warmer in there, if it's going to get worse or get better. So anyway, I'm going to get on this tractor.
7. All right, guys. I know this just looks like a pile of dirt to you.
So cool. One more thing, one step closer to being started or complete or whatever. Like just little at a time. Just keep pecking away.
We're gonna go to the lumber store and get stuff here soon and get started on this. It's exciting.
Yeah. Little at a time. Appreciate you guys hanging out with us. So appreciate you guys.
Bye.